Welcome to this visual call path presentation about the unique SureTel entity Workgroups. They serve as mini call centers using agents and call queues, and since workgroups can be the source of numerous types of calls, visual call path diagrams them with different connectors so they're easy to identify. The workgroup shape itself is created with up to 8 rows showing destinations and extensions. The call handling modes, backup and overflow values are always displayed on the shapes, while steps and agents appear only if they have members. Solid connectors are used for the active call handling mode, always in this example, backup, overflow, and steps. Inactive call handling modes are drawn with dashed lines and agents have dotted lines. Moving to our example, we've opened the service workgroup diagram from the wizard. Let's first collapse the shape's parents to simplify the page. The purple workgroup shape has many child connections, and zooming in closer, we can see from which rows the connectors originate. The call forwarding status is busy no answer, so the always connector is a dashed line, and the other call handling options are solid lines. Backup, overflow, and steps are also solid, and agents have their dotted lines. Whenever possible, Visual Call Path places call forwarding destinations at the top of the page, steps in the middle, and agents on the bottom of the page. The workgroup step shade is a lighter shade of purple and has a label that shows the step number. Double-clicking the step shape either plays its audio message or brings up a dialog box saying that no message has been recorded. The double-click event for the main workgroup shape brings up a list of all agents and their extensions. Workgroup diagrams can become extremely large and unwieldy if there are several steps and numerous agents. Here, there are only 9 agent members. But if we go over to our sales workgroup, it has 50 members. And if we create a diagram that has several workgroups with all the possible connectors showing, the drawing becomes too busy to easily understand. So Visual Call Path offers ways to control the visibility of connectors for individual workgroups or for all the workgroups. Clicking in the child arrow of any workgroup brings up options to show or hide children, steps, and agents. So you can customize the connections of a single individual workgroup shape regardless of how the shape originally is drawn. And those default options for showing the workgroup connectors are set from the Visual Call Path menu options on the Add-ins ribbon. Click Diagram Settings and the Workgroup tab to set the default show or hide options. Now we'll hide all step and agent connectors by default and then go back to our drawing with the 2 busy workgroups. Now we can refresh the drawing and see the big difference. We can always go back and drill down to information about any workgroup component in which we're interested. That concludes the presentation of how Visual Call Path visualizes workgroup connections. It's valuable in managing call flow to be able to see all the workgroup's possible connectors. We hope you saw the benefits for managing your SureTel system. Be sure to contact us for more information or to schedule a webinar. Thanks for your time.